A very pleasant day to everyone. My name is M. Sindura of BSc MSCS third year from St. Anne's Degree and PG College for Women, Mallapur. I am participating in the event Science Utsav in the online competition which is Technathon. I have chosen the theme app development. So I have created an app which is exam study application. You can see the icon here. This is the icon of my application, and when we click on the exam study application, we can see the exam study label here, and we can see three buttons here: first year, second year and third year. So the working of this app is, when a student clicks on the first year button, a screen will be viewed which consists of SEM1 and SEM2 along with their paper names. You can also see the which which year you are opening by looking at the top left corner, which is the first year. And when a student clicks on the programming in C button, we can see a model paper button and also a website button. So when we click on the model paper button, previous year's model papers will be viewed of that respective paper. And when we click on the website button, we can see a popular website which is w3schools.com, in which it contains extra information about the paper, which helps students to write extra information in the examination. We can also see home button here. So when we click on the home button, we'll be going to the home page. And in the similar way, when we click on the second year button, we can see SEM3 and SEM4 along with the paper names. So when we click on the data structures button, we will be viewing model paper button and website button. So when we click on the model paper button, we can see the model papers of previous years. In the same way, we can also click on the website button. We can see the popular website w3schools.com, extra information. In the similar way, third year, we can see SEM5 and SEM6 along with their paper names here. So suppose we are clicking on software engineering button, so we will be viewed model paper and website button and also home button. So the model paper button, when we click on it, we can view the previous year model papers. In the same way, when we click on the website button, we can see the website link. Same way, home button is also there. So I have added home button to every model paper and website. Along with the bottom of it, I have added the home button, so it makes the student very easy to go to the home page. So the prime objective of this exam study application is to help make a student learn faster and become smarter. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arif, studying MCA in Loyola Academy. Me and my friend Chandrasekhar developed this project called e-handbook, electronic handbook. As you know, due to this pandemic, everything has become online. As a student, what I faced in this digital life is no proper resources to learn. So as to overcome this difficulty, we developed this application. It is a platform where our friends can easily access materials, textbooks related to computer science. So as you could see, this is our interface. If you are new user, you can sign up, or if you have used this application in before, then you can simply log in through email and password. For example, I am a new user. Let's sign up. We'll just enter our username, password. Password. So these are the different courses: BSc Computer Science, BSc Data Science. Let's just have a look into BCom Computer Science. Here you can select your year. We'll go with the same one. Fundamental Information Technology. So we have added this feature where you can open or share with your friends. Like if you want to open, you can open it in other devices. If you want to view the same file in other alternate devices, you can simply scan the QR code. Or if you want to share with your friends, you can simply share this QR code. Then you will be directed to the resource page. Students might not be interested in reading. For them, we have added this listen feature where they can listen and understand the concept.
Technology Fundamentals of Information Technology Computer. A computer is an electronic device which is used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Computer is a Latin word. More expensive than inkjet, worksheet. Rose to its transactions e.g., MCR find next employ.
If you have any queries, you can let us know here and give us feedback. And you can also follow us on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Below that, we have a feature called visitor count. It stores the visiting count in this environment. Myself, I am UI designer. Chandrasekhar is a developer, followed up by mentor, Mrs. Vedasri.
Ours is an app which is called as Snapcook, which is used for recipe recommendation. Recipe recommendation in the sense you have to give the images of ingredients, that is real-time images of ingredients that you have as an input to the system, and the system gives you all the possible recipes that can be prepared using those ingredients. So let me show the execution. So here is our app, which is Snapcook. Now we have to capture the images. Here we have chopped capsicum. We can capture the image of all the ingredients that you have individually. Here is a tomato, as you can see. Now again we have onion with us. Take the image and press right. So now we can view the thumbnails. Here we will have all the things that are like predicted images, like images that are predicted. It has predicted correctly all the 3 images. Now if we press get result, we have all the 40 top possible recipes that can be prepared using these ingredients. So if we click on a certain link, the things that you saw were all links. So the recipe will be loaded. It is based on internet connection. The speed is based on internet connection. So now here we have the recipe that can be prepared using these ingredients.
But today I'm here with my friends Naveen and Chandrasekhar Reddy. Came up with an idea about fitness for healthy life. We need to do some exercises and maintain the proper diet. But any instructors, it is very difficult. So here we designed an app which will guide and provide instructors how to be make yourself fit and healthy. So here we designed an app which will guide and provide instructors how to make ourselves fit and healthy. So this is our app. To access this first, you have to log in. If you are a new user, you need to register and enter some basic details like name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, weight, height, blood group. After that, you have to log in into the app. Once you entered into the app, you will find different options like workouts, exercises. Now let us find out how to use this app and its basic features like healthy tips, medicines, fitness, food, home remedies, workouts, belly fat, weight loss diet, weight gain. You can type any. You need to proceed 3 steps to get started. It recommends weight loss diet, weight gain, temporary relief medicines, extra energy pills, healthy tips, lifestyle tips, workouts, decrease fat. Step 2 tells about personal details. Let us know about you to speed up your result. Get fit with your personal details without plans. Final step. You select your fitness level. If you are new to fitness training, click beginner. If you have been training regularly, click on intermediate. If you are fit and ready for an intense workouts plan, click on advanced. Let's go to weight. If you click on weight, it directs to weight analysis. If you click on schedule, when you register the fitness, you redirect to the panel which is healthy panel. Here you can see the 9 panels. If you click on weight, it weight analysis. If you click on meal plan, there are two types. There are two reminders for you. First one is water, second one is food. If you select water, it shows daily goal, how much quantity you need to take per day. This app will also let you track your water intake. And in case of food, you can add your meal, being it breakfast, morning snacks, lunch, evening snacks, and dinner. Then goes to the schedule. It directs to the schedule page where you can find some exercises. అంతేనా?
Hello everyone, we are from St. Anne's Degree College for Women, Mallapur. Today we are going to introduce a new project, and team members of our project are Vasavi, Meena, Maunika, Ramya, Yashashwini and Tejashwini Priya. The name of our project is Agriculture Irrigation System. Coming to the equipment which we have used in this project are Arduino, temperature sensor, IoT, soil moisture sensor and humidity sensor, and also USB cable. The main objective of our project is, in today's world, due to irrigation there might be some possible wastages. So It may be water wastages, wastages of crops, and so on. So, in order to solve this issue, we introduce an automatic irrigation system. By using this system, it will possibly reduce such wastages so that better utilization of resources can be made possible. It shows the basic switching mechanism of motor using sensors by sensing moisture present in the soil. Before going in depth into the project, let me explain an abstract related to agriculture irrigation system. India is mainly an agriculture country. Agriculture is the most important occupation for the most of the Indian families. So, water is main resource for agriculture. Irrigation is one method to supply water, but in some cases there will be a lot of water wastage. So, in this regard, to save water and time, we have proposed project titled Automatic Irrigation System using IoT. In this proposed system, we are using various sensors like temperature, humidity, soil moisture sensors, which senses the various parameters of the soil, and based on soil moisture value, land gets automatically irrigated by on or off of the motor. The sensed parameters and motor status will be displayed on user Android application. This project uses Arduino Uno to control the motor. The Arduino board is programmed using the Arduino IDE software. Soil moisture sensors measure the water content in soil. A soil moisture probe is made up of multiple soil moisture sensors. Soil electrical conductivity is simply measured using two metal conductors spaced apart in the soil, except that dissolved salts greatly alter the water conductivity and can confound the measurements. The soil electrical conductivity is sensitive to variations in soil salinity and temperature as well as water. Arduino is an open source physical computing platform based on simple input or output board and a development environment that implements the processing language. Arduino is an architecture that combines Atmel microcontroller family with standard hardware into a board with inbuilt bootloader for plug and play embedded programming. Arduino software comes with an IDE, that is integrated development environment, that helps writing, debugging and burning program into Arduino. So, the moisture sensor measures the level of the moisture in the soil and sends the signal to the Arduino if watering is required. The motor or water pump supplies water to the plants until the desired moisture level is reached. This project has wireless sensor network for real-time sensing of an irrigation system. This system provides uniform and required level of water for the agriculture farm, and it avoids water wastage. When the moisture level in the soil reaches below threshold value, then system automatically switches on the motor. When the water level reaches normal level, the motor automatically switch off. The sensed parameter and current status of the motor will be displayed on user's Android application. Soil moisture sensors measure the water content in soil. Moisture in the soil is an important component in the atmospheric water cycle. Sensor module output a high level of resistance when the soil moisture is low. It has both digital and analog outputs. Digital output is simple to use, but it is not as accurate as analog output. Based on moisture level, motor gets turned on or off automatically. The main significance of our project is it is very useful for people who do not have time to water their plants because of busy life schedule. So this project is very economical in terms of cost and power. And this agriculture irrigation system is highly sensitive and it works according to the soil condition, and it is low cost and reliable circuit, and system can be switched into manual mode whenever required. Coming to applications, it is useful in irrigation in fields, useful irrigation in gardens, parks, and this irrigation system is very efficient for paddy rice fields, and it is efficient in pisciculture also.